Today I will explain to you how to set some functions of the DS-4A remote control. First, let's talk about the constant speed function. The constant speed function of this remote is controlled by a mechanical switch. Generally, like RC cars, RC boats, agricultural products such as lawnmowers require this feature. Let's first look at the situation of opening the fixed speed. First, let's match the code. Pull the throttle trigger of the remote control all the way down. Then press the cruise control button. Release the throttle channel. We can see that the machine is still going at our previous speed. Besides this function, we've also added a new feature to cruise control. It is the function of speed regulation after constant speed. When the machine is already moving at the speed we had before. If you feel that the speed is too fast or too slow, just hold down the throttle trigger to add and subtract. Press the accelerator to accelerate. Pull the throttle up to slow down. Hear a beep every time you make a change. The stroke amount for each adjustment is 10. You can set your own values to your own needs. Next, let's talk about the out-of-control protection function. We've covered the runaway protection feature many times before. Why do we have to give a special explanation this time? Because our C04 receiver is different from our other receivers. So our runaway protection function, its steps have also changed. So today we will talk about how to set the fail control protection function of the DS-4A remote control. First, let's complete the coding steps. First, complete the code pairing steps and enter the shutdown state. Press and hold CHR down the trim key and then power on. Can see, at this time the two indicators on the remote control panel flash at the same time. Then the receiver will also start flashing quickly. Control the accelerator in the brake or flame mode state. Do not let go. Then press the lower fine-tuning key of CHR again. Failsafe setting completed. Then look at the settings to complete the failsafe function. What will happen on the machine? First, we fix the throttle channel of the remote control. You can see that the product has been moving forward. Then we turn off the remote. Release the throttle channel. Product stops running after shutdown. Enter the brake or flame mode state we set before. At this point, we turn on the remote control again. The product runs normally. Response is normal.